Alright, today I'm taking a look at the multi-charging cable. Okay, so here it is. Pretty cool. I mean, we don't have to really unwrap anything. It actually holds itself together because it is magnetic. So that's great. That's going to be really cool for if we want to just throw this thing in a bag. We don't have to worry about. One of the things that I really like about this one in particular, normally with multi-cables, like you throw the thing in your bag and it looks like there's a spider web in there. So this thing, like this is just nice and tight. I like that. So we got our Apple charger right here. We can pull this thing out, fold it back, and then we got our USB-C cable right here. So we can do Android or iPhone. We've also got USB-A and USB-C here. So we can go from a modern USB-C to USB-C, and go USB-C to USB-A, and just everything clicks into place. That is so cool. I love that. We have a braided cable, so it is somewhat flexible. So if you need to, you can get all kinds of weird angles on here. And the shell is all metal. We got good looking contacts all throughout. You can charge your phone, you can charge your buddy's phone, you can plug it into whatever it is that you come across. That is awesome. And it also comes with this cover, so you don't have to worry about getting damaged while you throw it in your backpack. So overall, that's a very nice adapter.